Meet Cura, your plant's best friend. Grow around the year with the power of multi-spectrum LEDs. Water your plants with no guesswork with Cura Pump. Take care of your plants from anywhere with Cura app. Light requirements of plants varies across their growth stages and also across plant types. Cura has multi-channel variable spectrum lights. To make it easy to operate, they offer presets on the app. Turn any corner of your home into a garden with the selection of Cura mounts. Cura is currently crowdfunding on Kickstarter. Check out the pledges and rewards.